I have to.
You can write this on there.
Am I done, man?
Get out your periodic table and grab me this stuff.
Mr. Springer,
Yeah.
I can't
Will you
see
make
it.
charge darker?
You need to write on the thing. 'Cause we're not going to read it on the
Can't quite see it. Take
I
a
don't
picture of
care.
your neighbors.
I already got this. I don't need it.
And I'll put the lights on a bit so you guys can see it better. Write this on your periodic table so that you have it, so that you know what's what. The charge is determined by what? What two things do I subtract?
Protons and neutrons.
Not
I mean,
right.
not protons and electrons.
Protons and electrons, those are the only things that have a charge. Remember, protons, positive charge. Electrons, negative charge. Neutrons, no charge. Your atomic number tells you the number of protons, which tells you the element. That's how you know that you're dealing with lithium. So, in this case, lithium, as we've talked about quite a few times already in here, is quite dangerous because it has one electron in its little outer shell. Lithium is number 3 on the periodic table, so it fills its first shell with 2 electrons and then 1 on the outside. If it can give away that 1, it has a full shell. So, batteries that get punctured or damaged get exposed to oxygen in the air. Oxygen has 6 little electrons on the outside. How many would it like to have to be stable? 8. So if there are 2 little lithiums floating around with 1 electron, it'll swap them up. It'll take them so that it has its 8, and so that lithium can have a full shell. So if you expose that metal to air, it can burst into flames. So here is a video of somebody shooting a lithium battery with the bow and arrow. He just barely clips it. In that battery, there are 3 lithium cells. He only punctured 1. So it goes off 1 at a time. So you'll see fire come out once, it'll stop, then the next cell gives out. Holy crap! Woo, baby! Yep. So you might think it's over with. Go up and try to pick it up, or like, think you can grab it. It's only like that big. It's not that big of a cell.
They're way too excited about something not
Now, the
on
thing
board.
about this is, right there, you might just say, well, it's just like a pretty big flame, but it's not that big of a deal. Here's the thing. That lithium battery pack isn't enclosed, right? It's not packaged up. That's the way that bombs work, okay? If you have something that burns and creates a lot of pressure, but you confine it, then you get a detonation. So you hold back all that pressure until your container can't take it anymore, then you get shrapnel, okay? So if it's like inside of plastic, you get pieces embedded inside of your body and it explodes, which is what can happen with the cell phones, because they can hold back that pressure, and then